Jonah, we're just going to go through your wiring for your solar system. This is the back view of the panels. As you can see here, I have a negative connection that is going to be hooked to a positive connection on the next panel. So you're making a male to female connection with your connector. This is like adding the panels together. They're both 12 volt, this will make 24. There's going to be two wires left on one end. Larry is holding the red positive wire, and over here we have a negative wire left over. Those wires are wired to a breaker and charge controller. The leftover red wire goes into this breaker, which I have labeled on this white tag PVN. It goes through this breaker, now up here, and is already pre-connected for you at this point. The PV positive that goes from the battery to the battery is fed into this breaker here and out and down to the batteries, which we have just mocked up 2 batteries, and it will go to the 24 volt positive point. The negative from the solar panel is coming in right here. The negative that will be fed to the battery is right here and goes directly to the battery to a 24 volt point. To open that connection, you will turn this to turn the PV in to the charge controller, and turn this to turn on the charge controller and to send the power to the batteries. This is your main DC disconnect for the inverter. Switch it to on, and the inverter will make a few sounds, and when it makes its last sound, press the power button right here. This is going to turn on the inverter. On the far right side of your system is an in and an out. Out would be down to your plug-in panel. In is this plug-in here that's going to plug into a generator. So I'll flip them both on. What's going to happen here is the inverter will go into backup mode, into straight mode rather. That noise you're hearing is the radio that's turned on. We've just got a radio to basically mock up your AC load. But that is basically your setup, and we're going to have some instructions in there, but this will be repeated on a larger scale with your battery bank, which is actually this right here. I'll be sending you further information soon.